This is Sawyer with All Charged Up, and today I'm going to show you how to program the Motorola RMU2080. The first thing you need to do is select which channel you want to program. You can do this by turning the knob on the top of the radio. Today we've selected channel 3. You can also change the channel at any point during the programming process. First, we need to enter programming mode. To do this, you're going to push side button 1 and push to talk at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds while turning the radio on until you hear an audible voice say programming mode and the channel number.
Programming mode, channel 3.
The LED indicator will also blink green to indicate that you're in programming mode. The next thing we need to do is change the frequency. You do this by short pressing the push to talk button one time. The audible voice will then announce what the current value is and how to change it.
Frequency 5. To change, press side button 1 or 2.
The current value is 5, so if we want to change it to a random number like 13, we'll need to press side button 1 8 times.
6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.
The frequency is now set to 13. Next, we'll need to change the code. We can do that by short pressing push to talk one more time.
Code 1. To change, press side button 1 or 2.
The code is currently set to 1. If we want to change it to a random number like 103, we need to press side button 1 until we reach that point. Luckily, if we hold side button 1, the radio will fast forward at the value of the nearest 10. Side button 1 will go down to the value of the nearest 10. So let's hold side button 1 until we get to 100.
2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 1, 0, 0.
At that point, we can let go of side button 1 and then short press it 3 times.
1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3.
We are now at code 103. We're going to long press the push to talk button
Channel 3.
until we hear the beep. To exit programming mode, we're going to long press the push to talk button one more time.
Battery level high. Channel 3.
We are now out of programming mode and the programming has been saved. If we want to reset to factory defaults, we're going to press push to talk, side button 1, and side button 2 at the same time until we hear a high tone chirp while turning the radio on.
Battery level high. Channel 3.